Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn how to use split function and slice function in Python. So let's begin with the demonstration part of the split function. As you can see, I have declared a variable called as Apache and I have a log line as a value of Apache. Okay, so this is IP address, this is get request, this is the image, this is HTTP, and this is HTTP code, this is the date. Okay, so these are the values inside that line. Let's try to use split function. Split, we can split it using space. So wherever it will find a space, it will separate the value and append it to the list. Let's try it. So as you can see, it has created a list and appended all those values inside that list. So now while retrieving those values, you can just call their index number as if you want. Now let's say if you want to retrieve this IP address which is on index 0, so simply you can pass index 0. Let's say if you want to retrieve the last value, then simply do -1. See, if you want to retrieve the second value, then retrieve. So 90% of the time, log parsing is a question which has been asked in DevOps interview. So you can take help of split function for that question. So while using slice, there are actually 3 factors to be kept in mind. So first is starting point, second is ending point, and third is step. Okay, let's understand what are those steps: start point, end point. So let's say I have this tuple. I am defining my slice function. I'm giving starting value as 0, ending value as, let's say, 5, and I will take 2 steps at a time. Now let's see what it prints. Okay, perfect. So it started from 0th index, 0, 1, 2. So it took 2 steps at a time, 0, 1, 2. It has printed mango. Again it went 0, 1, 2. So guava has been printed. So as you understood, it is taking 2 steps at a time. Starting point is 0th index, ending point is 5th index, and 2 is the step which has been taken by our slice. So that's our slice function. So thank you for watching my video, guys. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.